Hello guys, this is my new discovered Japanese noodle soup. Uh, Udon. It says Japanese style noodles, fresh udon. This one, it's yummy guys. My first, this is the second time that I cook this one. The first one is the first try, and then I bought second time because I really like it. See, the udon noodles, it's bigger than the regular one. So I just heat the water to pour here, and then after that one, this is the water. They have the line of the water here. You pour the water with the dried flakes. Dried flakes. Inside, I think it's vegetables and seasoning. Yeah, there is. I think this one is vegetables like onions, spring onions. Yeah, pot noodles, liquid soup. This is liquid soup, and the dried flakes. This one, the dried flakes. That there is sticky rice and some seasoning, some dried vegetables. So that one. If you want to add some vegetables, so I want to add enoki mushroom. This one. I have a lot of enoki mushroom. I stock more mushroom because this is my favorite mushroom. More again vegetable aside from the enoki mushroom, you can put like bok choy or something like that. I have bok choy. It's clean. I already clean it and put in the fridge so that it's still fresh when you add the sabaw. I put like this, just like that, so that more fun. Para naman hindi boring yung soup mo, yung sabaw mo, lagyan mo ng mga sahog like enoki mushroom. My favorite is enoki mushroom. I love more enoki mushroom. Ini sabaw. Yeah. Instead na kahit cheap yung noodles nyo, lagyan nyo ng mga ganito, magiging fancy yung noodles nyo. Magiging fancy yung sabaw kung lagyan nyo ng ganito, kasi may nakalagay naman dito just optional guys, optional. If you have a lot of mga sahog-sahog, pero kung wala naman, okay lang kahit ito lang yung nasa bowl. Pero ako gusto ko more, kaya nilagyan ko ng mga gulay-gulay. So, I'm gonna microwave it. I-microwave ko to ng 2 minutes guys. It's done. So this is my Japanese noodle soup, Japanese udon, because of the noodles is bigger like this. And then with enoki mushroom, with vegetables, bok choy on it. So, let's eat. Yan. Sarap talaga yung seasoning niya. Yung sabaw niya, super, I'm satisfied the taste of the soup. Yeah. So this is the Japanese udon. Thanks for watching.